another new edition of EQ. I'm your host for the Bulletin, Manisha Mehel. And before we go hop, skip, jump over all that's making news from the glitterati, I bring to you a little candid chat with the Troublesome 2. With their movie Shaadi Ke Side Effects hit in theatres, Vidya and Farhan's wedding woos are out in the open. But before it all began on the big screen, we had the couple in our studios getting chatty with us, imparting lessons on marriage and more. Check it out.
Tonight we are taking lessons on marriage, and here are the side effects that we're going to talk about. Who better than Farhan Akhtar and Vidya Balan right here in our studios? First things first, should we get married, not get married? What's the word on it?
No, that's really not for us to say. If you find a nice man or a nice woman and you want to spend the rest of your life with them, then most definitely you should get married.
Film really is not the gospel truth,
Yeah.
you know, on anything. It's for entertainment. It's about two characters who you may identify with, we believe.
Vidya, do you think the way we portray marriage in Indian cinema has changed over the years? If you look back at the 80s and how it is now?
Oh, most definitely. I think like other things, it's constantly evolving, the representation of marriage. I think this is the most realistic representation that I've seen. I think I can, comfortably say that. It's very tongue-in-cheek, it's very real. You just realize that, you know, no relationship is perfect, no marriage is perfect, and you shouldn't expect it to be. But it's great fun.
And what is that one Vidya Balan picture, the film that you really enjoyed watching?
Well, there's many. It's difficult to say one. I think starting from the very first one, I think it was a very short performance, as a debut in film at least, you know, with Parinita. You know, more recently, Kahani is a film that I really, really liked.
How about you, Vidya? Your thoughts when you got to know Farhan was on board and he's going to play Sid there?
I was extremely excited. A lot of people had actually told me it'll be great fun to see Farhan and you together. I thought for this script particularly, it was fantastic that we were getting together because the situations are all derived from or inspired from real life situations. You know, if I enjoyed his work before I worked with him, it's only grown 1,000 times more after working with him.
Mm-hmm. How is it promoting the film, you know, going around cities? How is that a task in hand, or was it fun?
It is a lot of work actually, but I enjoy promotions because I enjoy meeting people and, you know, I don't know, something.
Oh, he's thinking something. Can you figure what it is?
He's thinking, what the hell is she saying?
Who, me? You?
No, me.
Oh.
So, I was right?
No, but thinking is totally fine. It's not been banned yet.
No,
So,
definitely
yeah,
not. Did he ever sing on the sets? Did you ever make him croon?
No, actually, Rati Agnihotri, who's also in the film, asked him to sing once.
Oh yeah, she did.
Yeah. And besides that, he'd hum, he whistles a lot.
No, but now that Farhan is in the
whistle.
house, maybe 2 lines from the film, maybe?
2 lines from the film.
Any song
No, because
from
he sung 2 songs in the film.
No, I'm sure he's not going to sing those 2, like the 2 songs in entirety.
But we can sing one bit of a song
Sure.
from the film. Which
And
is,
what does Vidya do then? If he's singing,
She just looks impressed.
like,
How about that? Let's,
Yeah. You can see.
The song, it's called Yaha
let's
Waha.
play cheerleader here.
It's called Yaha Waha, which is of course a Pritam's composition. It goes, Kal ko bhulo na, kal to beeta re, Suni chaukhad pe dekho aaj baitha re, यहाँ वहाँ फिरता मैं जहाँ तहाँ कहाँ कहाँ हुई जो है खता 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 यारा हमें माफ कर दो ना.
Arey wow, not bad. Vidya, not letting you go. 2 lines.
She sings very well in Bengali, I believe.
Oh wow, let's hear it. We'll play the cheer girls now. Come on.
Now when they remake this film, what will be Shaadi Ke Side Effects in Bengali?
Chalo.
Ekhane, okhane, ekhane, okhane. Yahan, wahan, yahan, wahan. I translated that for you in Bengali, that's it. No, please, I've genuinely got a bad throat.
Really?
Yeah.
That was
Can't you?
good, no?
No, I'm
not letting
sounding
you go.
not like myself.
2 lines. Come on.
You first.
No.
Pagla sa hai, like that it was.
झल्ला सा है, पगला सा है, अब जाके शादी के साइड इफेक्ट्स देखो.
Promotions at the end of the day. But thank you guys so much for joining us here in the Headlines Today studio. Good luck at the box office. And looking forward to seeing you guys together on the screen again. When is the next film happening? Are you guys in talks already?
Well, time will tell.
Inshallah.
But we look forward to it.
Inshallah.
Yeah,
thank you so much.
Thank you.